No matter the color of our skin, the language we speak, or where we were born, we often make the mistake of focusing on our differences. But if you look closer, we share much more than we think. Today, let's discover 20 universal truths that remind us that humanity is, in reality, just one big family. 1. The smile. A smile doesn't need a translation. Everywhere in the world it shows joy, connection, and human warmth. 2. Tears. When the pain is too much, or when emotions take over, our eyes fill with tears. It's a language common to all of humanity. 3. Blood. No matter where we come from, our blood is the same color. Red, a symbol of life, and we can even donate this blood. Blood donation saves lives every day, proving that beyond our differences, we all carry within us the ability to give life to another. 4. Hunger. The need to eat reminds us that we all depend on the same planet. 5. Thirst. Water is essential for everyone. Without it, no human life can survive. 6. Fear. Faced with danger, every human feels this basic emotion. Fear is what pushes us to survive. 7. Love. We all love. Our families, our friends, our children, our partners. And this love has no borders. It crosses cultures, oceans, and differences. Love is the universal glue of humanity. 8. Death. No one escapes it. It erases all borders and reminds us of our shared fragility. 9. Body language. A hug, a frown, a helping hand. Even without words, we know how to understand each other. 10. Sleep. Every night we need rest. Sleep unites us because without it, no human can live. 11. Dreams. In the quiet of the night, each of us dreams. Our minds travel, even if the images are different. 12. Laughter. A shared burst of laughter is a moment of universal freedom. No matter the age or culture, laughter warms the heart. 13. Physical pain. A cut, an injury, an illness. We all feel the same pain in our bodies. 14. Music. Present in all cultures, music awakens the same emotions: joy, nostalgia, hope. And what's even more beautiful is that one person's music touches others too. Some dance to rhythms from far away, while others cry to songs they don't even understand. Music crosses borders. 15. Stories. Since the dawn of humanity, we've been telling stories, to pass things on, to teach, or simply to dream. 16. Curiosity. We all have a thirst to understand, to explore, to discover what's around us. 17. Dreams for the future. Every human hopes for a better tomorrow, for themselves or for their loved ones. 18. Compassion. When someone is hurting, we feel that pain in our hearts. Compassion connects us to each other. 19. Nature. We breathe the same air, live under the same sun, and all depend on Earth to survive. 20. The search for meaning. No matter our beliefs or philosophies, every human seeks to give meaning to their life. In the end, our differences are just a facade. Behind cultures, languages, and appearances, we share the same core. What if we focused on what unites us instead of what divides us? Because deep down, we are all alike.